whiteout conditions to go get Wicky on Christmas Eve.
Because his mom's retarded. And my grandma took him home last night. I think we're on the shoulder.
Better off in the snowpack than I am over there.
I agree. Oh, they're stopped in the middle of the road. Oh, that Mustang's done. Oh, they can't go. Oh, but this bridge is going to be bad up here.
Look, they're all stopped underneath there too.
Because they can't get up the hill?
Yeah, look. See that guy out there just cleaning his windshield while he's sitting there? This is going to be the problem tonight. This is exactly why they have that military activated.
There's what to their faces, the record.
Barns.
Yeah.
Well, 235's done.
How in the hell are we gonna get home?
Probably it'll be cleared up by tonight. Look at this guy.
Fuck.
He's pulling a trailer with a car on the back. He's stuck. Edmond's stuck here too.
That cop was stuck?
Yeah, well, it's Edmond and he's stuck in the traffic.
Oh shit, that guy's going the wrong way on the off-ramp.
Where?
Right there in that truck.
Oh, they're backing back up. That's where they have that, they've been sitting there for hours. Look at all the people trying to turn around. To your right.
Oh, there's just people yelling. This is fucking crazy. This guy's going way too fast. Look, it cleared out right there. Well, what's the bridge by the Capitol gonna be like?